I'm Lucas Tiller. I'm doing level 3 app web and games design. I'd say my favourite thing is probably the creative freedom you have on the course. How you can just you can just keep going. You can just talk and talk and talk about what you're doing. There's a lot of room to explain and talk about your thought process and your designs. Some of the things I've learnt on the course is how to probably make an animation. It's probably the big one. Make a website, make a game. I learned how to design an app as well. That was a lot. I've learned some new software as well to use, like Adobe XD, Adobe Animate. It's very good for the actual course to know this as well. Some of the really good software that we get to use is like all the Adobe products, because they're normally quite expensive when you're getting them separately. So Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Animate, Adobe Express. Because normally it's like £50 to get the bundle, but here I can obviously use it for free on the computers. And it just really helps to get your work finished and done in time as well. I'd probably say the biggest nerve I had about coming to college was not knowing much about the course itself, because you don't really do this kind of thing when you're at school, because you tend to be doing your maths and your English and your science, and this course is completely different to any of them. So there was a bit of nervous of not knowing a lot of what I was going to be doing, but I kind of caught on to that quite quickly. Come like September, October time, I got the hang of it, and it was just nice and easy. I think they should study this specific kind of genre of courses because it's engaging. People like to get involved. There's a lot to do. There's like it's kind of really different as well to anything else that you've done before. So it's good to explore into this kind of different world, if you would.